Okay, so for solution 1b, I've created the x values from 0 to 8, so 2, 4, 7, and 1 is 8 meters. So that's 0 to 8 meters. And I've doubled up here at 2, 4, and 7 because that's where there's changes. So at 2 meters, 4 meters, and 7 meters, there's a change. Okay, so the shear force from A to D, sorry, from C to A is minus 5,000 newtons. So that's minus 5,000. And from A to D, it is 3,600. So that's 3,600. And then from D to B, it is minus 2,400. And then from B to E, it is 10,000. So they're all just marked in there on the shear force column. For the bending moments, that's equal to minus 5,000 multiplied by x. I'm going to copy that down. And this is equal to, so it is 3,600, sorry, equals 3,600 multiplied by x minus 17,200. Okay, and we're just going to copy that down as far as here. Then from 4, so from D to B, it is minus 2,400. Minus 2,400 multiplied by x plus 6,800. And I copy that then all the way to 7. And then for the last one, it is equal to 10,000 multiplied by x minus 80,000. And if we want to graph that, just highlight the cells, insert, and go for a scatter graph such as that. And there is our shear force and bending moment diagram.